my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super quick first impressions review on the Peach Boxes slash Marc Bale watch and bracelet. The first piece that I picked up is this gorgeous Marc Bale watch. Oh, sorry for the background noise, by the way, it's my dog. Do you guys remember Obi? It's been a while since I've showed him in a video. Let me just grab him. Obi! Come here. He also never listens. Oh, he is listening. Wow, this is the first time he's come on cue. I guess he wants to be in front of the camera. Obi! Look! Yeah, so if you guys remember Obi from a few years ago, this is him now. It's his birthday next week and he's almost 5. Okay, we're getting distracted. Let me just put Obi back down. Thank you for the feature. You know what, I might put him on my lap while I film this. You want to sit on my lap? Wow, he's actually sitting on my lap. Look. Aww. Okay, so this is a Marc Bale Rose Gold, Crystal Rose Gold Mesh watch. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's so awkward, like trying to angle the watch. That's what it looks like from the front. That's what it looks like at the back. So it clasps on like so. It's a little bit fidgety though. Like if there's one thing that I have to say about this watch that probably isn't my favorite, it's the fact that it can be a little bit fidgety. It has fallen off a few times, and by a few times I mean probably 3 or 4 times since I've gotten it.
Add this little clip in here just to let you guys know that after my watch broke, I contacted Peach Box and let them know that the watch had broken due to the clasp falling off. I explained to them the situation and straight away they showed me instructions on if I was putting on the clasp correctly, and if not, they said that it was probably a faulty item, so they sent me a new one immediately. I received it a few days later, and I just wanted to say that the customer service at the Peach Box is amazing. So this is a new watch that I just received a couple of days ago. I just wanted to show you how to actually secure it because it can be kind of confusing. So the first bottom bit goes on just like that, if you can see. So that connects on. And this little part that I'm pointing to, that the bit sticking out, has to go in between. So not over, but just in there like that. And then once you have a look at it, it's super secure and does not come off. So just make sure that you take care when you secure the watch strap.
I'll just take this so you guys can see what it looks like close. So that is the head of the watch, and then you have this awesome like rose gold mesh, and I really like how when you put on the watch it kind of molds into your wrist, if that makes sense. So it's not bulky or anything like that. It's light enough and slim enough that it just really accentuates the curves of your wrists, you know? So love it. And you also get a free gift with the watch. Okay, I'm gonna have to put him down because he's been down there the whole time. Thank you, Obi. So the free gift that you get is this cute little peach strap, and I'm just gonna take it out of the box. At first when I saw this I was like, why is there a peach strap? I don't think you can take this rose gold mesh off because it matched the, I don't know what you call this bit, the frame of the head so well that I was like, surely it has to be one piece, but no, I looked it up online and it's removable. So again, it's very fitting for the name of the company, the Peach Box, to have a peach colored strap, so love it. It's a really nice bit of leather and it's awesome that it comes free. Ooh. Okay, so now that we've done the watch, I'm going to show you the second piece that I got. The second piece that I chose is a bangle, and I got the buckle bangle in silver. Now this is the first time I'm going to be trying it on literally on camera, and as for the watch, since I've gotten it, it's been about a week since I've gotten it. Literally I've almost worn it every single day. Yeah, and usually I'm not the type of person that wears a watch every day, just because when I'm like working or whatever, I don't like the feeling, and it just feels a bit foreign and bulky, so I'll take it off while I work. But I've honestly had this on pretty much the whole time, bar the times that it fell. This is what the buckle bangle looks like. Let me just, I'm kind of worried because I have huge wrists, like huge hands, huge wrists. It's probably not gonna fit, but we'll just find out on camera. And this kind of reminds me of what the Cartier Love bracelet would be like. Not that I have it because I can't afford it, but you get what I'm trying to say. It goes on like this. Oh, clasps into place, and then, oh wow, it actually fits, so my wrist is not that thick. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like I have a belt for my wrist. It looks pretty cute. All it's missing are some pants, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm not too shabby, not too shabby. Might wear this tomorrow. So just briefly, the watch itself costs $200, which a little bit steep, not gonna lie, but I was lucky enough to be hooked up with a discount code, so if you want 15% off, you can use my code XO Sharon Noelle. I'll put everything down like on the screen and in the description. There's also a big Christmas sale coming up in December, and I don't have the code with me now, but I'll just put it in the description, and I think you get about 20% off. As usual, I'm just gonna end the first impressions review with my final thoughts. I think it's gorgeous, and it's probably my most favorite watch that I've owned to date. That being said, I only own 3 watches, so not really hard. I love how classic and simple it is, and love that mesh, rose gold mesh detailing, and how it like molds into your wrist, so it doesn't look bulky or chunky or anything like that. And I like the fact that you can also adjust it with straps. So I also have a couple other colored straps, as you guys may know if you do watch my channel, from Wellington, so I can definitely mix and match that baby up. And as for the bangle, this costs $60. Obviously, you can use discount codes with that. I love how unique it is. I don't really shop for jewelry much myself, but I haven't personally seen this buckle belt style. And yeah, I think it's super cute and unique. So those are my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you'd like me to film anything or have any requests, then let me know. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!